America. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, lovely lords and ladies of YouTubia. Welcome to another thrill-minute, action-packed, exceptionally crafty episode of Armor and the Arts. So today is just going to be kind of a little catch-up on where we're at as far as the different projects that we got going. Yesterday, my beloved bride created a bunch of very cool garb for me. She's going to be working on her own piece as well. It's in the same color. Going to be using mine for Solstice Court next 2 weeks from yesterday, and going to be continuing work on my Pell. And so we're headed right now to Joann's, which of course has only authentic period pieces of different things that we need, because they're well known for that. Only the most period. And so we're headed there.
In all seriousness, I cut out 4 pieces of garb yesterday, sewed up 2, and they are made from a linen blend. You will see the finished product, and you'll see a little bit of the middle of the project. I did a few clips at the beginning, but not too much.
Yep. And so that's going to be it. Just kind of catching guys up on where we're at and what we're doing. So without further ado, let's head to Joann. So I do believe we have gotten some cool stuff. We got our fabric paint in gold, or if you will. Got a whole bunch of paintbrushes. We'll be using those for multiple things. This is going to be the inside liner of my super sweet cloak, and this is going to be the outside of the cloak. It's so supple. This will be the draw thingy, and you're going to have 2 sets of those to help it close up. The design is actually a Roman marching cloak is the specific design, and we'll kind of take you through that as the process of putting it together unfolds, right?
Yes.
All right. So here's some trim. Here's some trim we're thinking about. How pretty is that? Pretty. Yeah. Really nice.
Continue holding that.
So we ended up with 2.5 yards of this. This poor jaguars, cheetahs, whatever. And 2.5 yards of that. We're getting 2 yards of the cord and 3 yards of this trim. So pretty. Trim's nice too. Alright, so on goes the most amazing trim of all time. Had that moment, the food. Who's this? So working on video. Wife is working on the tunic. Awesome. All right, so there is the nearly completed dress tunic for Solstice Court. Put a little clasp right there. And that's it. It is super nice. How do you like it, huh?
It's beautiful. Up a little bit. Remember, we're going to reverse it.
Mom, why can't I go to that?
You're going to start here. Then you just sew a little bit forward, and then you reverse it, and then you come, and then you try and keep your purple all the way lined up.
What should I put it to?
Oh yeah.